When printing documents from a computer, you can place print data in the machine on hold, which will prevent any documents from being printed immediately. When configured, printing cannot be performed until the user is authorized on the machine. This feature grants greater print security, while reducing the risk of other people viewing or inadvertently picking up sensitive documents. To activate this feature, log into the device as an administrator. Then, press the Settings and Registration key. Navigate to Function Settings, Print, and then select Forced Hold. Select On, and then begin setting your print hold conditions. You can set multiple, detailed conditions in varying priorities, ranging from limiting specific users to limiting all print jobs to a specific IP address. If no conditions are set while Forced Hold is active, all print jobs from logged-in users are held, while print jobs from unidentified users will be canceled automatically, without being held. When print jobs are held, they are stored in the Hold menu, where jobs can be accessed only by authorized users, such as the device administrator. From the Forced Hold screen, press Register. Then, name your condition. Under the Job Condition dropdown, select which source will have their print jobs redirected. Then, select the action which will designate how the source will be redirected. Depending on the condition selected, you'll have a variety of options to further specify limits. For example, if you wish to allow printing from a single IP address, select IP address as the condition, set print as the action, and enter the address in the single address menu using the numeric keys. Press OK when the condition is fully configured. For this example, we will register one more condition. Press Register. If we wish to automatically redirect all print jobs that come from users that are not logged in, set Unknown Users as the job condition. Set the job action to hold, and then provide the ID which will authorize jobs from undesignated users. Name your condition, confirm your settings, and then press OK. The first condition will allow printing from a specific IP address while restricting all other print requests. The second condition will put all print jobs from unidentified users in the hold bin, where only the administrator can verify and subsequently print the requested documents. Please note that the priority of conditions set affects access. For this example, if we set the IP condition first, the device will prioritize the IP address of the print job before determining if the job is coming from a designated user. If we set the unidentified condition first, the device will prioritize sending all unauthorized print jobs directly to the hold section before verifying the IP address of the job. Press Validate/Invalidate to activate both conditions, and press OK. Finally, from the Settings and Registration screen's main menu, select Apply Set Changes. Restart your device, and your settings will be activated upon startup.